Are you struggling to be consistent in online? Here's your 7 days of your content and how to schedule it in 30 minutes. Welcome to Sociogenix. This is where small creators and everybody learn about social media marketing. So to create your 7 days of content calendar, all you need is an Excel sheet and the notes. And I'm going to go step by step to how to create that. So the first thing that you need to do is for your niche, your own niche, go for 3 themes. Let's say, for example, mine is a fashion. So the BTS videos, the unboxing videos, the tip and tricks videos, for example, something like that. So number 2 now is brainstorming your idea. So with the 3 themes that we picked, each for one theme, we have to create at least 1 or 2 posts, and that'll come up to 6 posts per your week. So that's great, you have 6 posts in your hand right now. So number 3, what we're gonna do is fill out these in the Excel sheet. So you have to at least post 5x per week to stay consistent. The other 2 days, you can make sure of the scheduling and other things. The 4th one, the very important one, is the CTA and hashtag. Have a column for CTA and hashtag, and which is very important for all of your videos. Always have something that gets your audience. Have a CTA like share this in your comments, DM us, link us in these. So these kind of things are definitely gonna make your content glow among everything, and use your unique hashtags per videos. So that's it. The 7 days of your content calendar is now ready to you, just in 30 minutes? Isn't that great? And if you have any other questions regarding the content calendar, we are going to put a content calendar template down in the description. So subscribe now, and with any questions, always pin in the comment and we will be right there to help you. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.